Ugh, why do you always do that? What's up, guys? I'm on a roll with these videos. I've already done like 4 in the last 2 days, so I'm feeling really good about myself. Today, we are going to be finishing up the rear wide body for the car. I've already sprayed one, and it's done, so all I have to do now is spray the other, put them on. Gotta put this here or I'll get locked in. Think I'm playing? I got locked in here for like 40 minutes the other night. I need you to work. There you go. Okay, so this is the finished one. Looks pretty smooth. It's a little dirty, but it's glossy. I had some issues with the first can. This one is already primed, ready to go. I had to wet sand this one because it came out weird at first. But all I have to do is spray this a couple times, put some clear on it, and we are good. So, oh man, look at, oh my god, yeah, right there. Oh, that fitment. Oh my god, look at the fitment. Oh. That's pretty much all you want to do for a first coat. Looks really splotchy, but that's a-okay. Just gonna let that dry, and then we're gonna do a second coat. Probably do about 3 coats. Second and third you go pretty heavy on. You want to make sure to get that nice consistent red shine. I really cannot wait to see all this done on the car. I feel like that's gonna be the biggest thing for me, is like seeing it all done. Cause look at that mother. For the past almost year now, the car's been, it's had the fenders on it, but it's been like that matte black color. And then I've had the no spacers, so everyone's been like, bro, shit's whack. It's gonna feel really good to me.
Let's take a chance, turning dust into diamonds, turning love into guidance, a second chance, let us commence. That's what I love, the life I see, what's left in me.
What I want to know is how the hell that got up there. Everyone in this family is under 5'5", and I can just barely get up there. Huh. Alright guys, I think it's safe to say I need a stabilizer of some sort, or maybe a gimbal. I don't know, something like that. Well, the car is finished. I don't know what to do now. Car's done. I feel really good about it. It looks really good. Hope you guys enjoyed this. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace. What a lazy cat. Oh my god.
Right this time, nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasting.